We just have the one webinar.
One webinar.
Yeah.
700,000 from one webinar.
How old are you?
19.
So on our side, we have maybe 6 people now.
Like from nothing to almost a million. Hi guys.
Hey.
Zdravo. Zdravo. Yeah, now we are in United States in conference, and yesterday I was searching Facebook and I found you guys with your beautiful story. You just started your online course 3 months ago, and you already have done $700,000.
Yeah. 700,000. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's you are like freshly newcomers.
So tell us your story, like how you started and like where you're moving.
So we met through a mutual friend through Instagram. We met just like 11 months ago now. It was for a Gary Vee event. There was one in Toronto. My friend was going, his friend was going, and we met up.
At that time you was living in Canada.
Yeah, living in Canada. Before that I barely graduated high school. I was kind of like trying to figure it out, trying to make money online. Wasn't going anywhere, and then went to the event, met them, and then it kind of like started going up from there.
How old are you?
19.
19.
Wow.
Yeah.
So 19, 18, 22, and you already have done almost million. You're
Almost
close.
million, yeah.
Almost there.
So Shell, you feeling like from nothing to almost million?
Yeah, I mean it's crazy because it happened really quickly.
Yeah.
Right. So the way we sell the course is through a webinar, online webinar. We launched the webinar literally 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And it's already at almost $1 million, which is crazy.
Yeah.
We haven't like, in terms of like how it's changed our lives, we haven't like taken any of the money yet. Like we're just reinvesting it back into the webinar and the business. So we just want to grow it even more.
Within these 3 months, you started earn quite good amount of money. Is the situation with girls changed?
No, it's like just like you were saying, we haven't like all the money's still in the business. Like nothing really changed other than now that we're making more money, but we're still.
I get more messages from girls though. I will say that.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I get more messages.
They find out somehow. But yeah, it was just like because our focus right now is just 700,000 is great, but like $1 million is great too. But let's make 10 million. Let's make 100 million. So just keep making the money.
And you are reinvesting a lot.
Keeping all the money in the business.
So what are you selling?
So we have a online course where we teach how to start a social media marketing agency. That's the business that we started about almost a year ago now.
Yeah.
It did well. People kept asking us, how did you do it? Like, how did you start? How do you get clients? How do you make the ads? So instead of answering everyone all the time, we just made the course and then,
So you did how many webinars?
We just have the one webinar.
One webinar.
Yeah.
700,000 from one webinar.
Yeah.
But
And you created the Evergreen.
Evergreen. So it's an automated.
It's evergreen. So it's running every day.
Running every 15 minutes, and we haven't done like a live webinar yet. It's only been the automated.
So you haven't done even one live webinar?
No, not yet.
Wow, you recorded it like from scratch?
From scratch, yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah. We just we think this is gonna work. We launched it first day of launch.
So did you model someone else's webinar?
Yeah.
A bunch of people's. We looked at like who was making money with their webinars, what their funnel looked like, what their webinar was like, and kind of merged together all of them.
So you was heading like marketing agency.
Yeah.
And how did you come up with the idea to create online course?
So we were getting so we did like really well in our first month of launching our agency. We made $10,000. Well, a lot of people struggled to just get like their first client. We were able to make $10,000. So after like a couple months of that, people started asking us like, oh, how do you do this? How'd you get started? What's the best way to create the ad? Best way to get a client? And we kept helping people. We were creating YouTube videos, and one day he woke up and he was like, we should create a course. And then we developed the course in 2 weeks, launched it, and then went from there.
Hey guys, if you want to create your online course and sell your knowledge or sell someone expert's knowledge, we have a free masterclass explaining every step on the way to create your own online course and scale it to millions of dollars. We also give you the free PDF with the best niches to start. Just click the link below and see you at the webinar.
Which platform did you use for this?
To host the course. It's on Teachable right now.
Teachable.
Not happy with it though, but.
And for the Evergreen webinar?
Every webinar.
Every webinar. Yeah.
And how many people are in your team?
In our team?
Yeah.
So on our side, we have maybe 6 people now.
Yeah.
Most of them virtual. We did have in-house people while we were in Bali. We were bringing on like sales guys to make phone calls and all that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just around 5 to 6 people.
So what are they? Like, what do they do?
So mainly customer support. The sales guys are on commission. and then we have a developer. Yeah.
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 So in terms of the funnel, what are the subscribers cost?
It depends on like what traffic source and what ad, but usually between $2 all the way up to like $5, $6, $7, $8 per registrant. And then attended webinars usually we look for like less than $10, sometimes like $12.
And what is your market? United States or
Worldwide.
worldwide?
Yeah.
But mostly like.
Mainly top 5 countries. So
Yeah.
we go for like America, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom.
And your ad traffic sources?
We do a couple.
Yeah.
Mainly it's been Instagram, Facebook, and a bit of YouTube. Yeah.
As well as like affiliates and JV. So if someone else
Yeah.
has a big following, we'll have them drive traffic towards our webinar, and they would get like a percentage of.
So you did $200,000 in first month, and how much did you invest to ads?
Now we're
Yeah.
spending around 10 to 13,000 a day.
Oh,
Just
nice.
30,000 a day.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So you're scaling now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It's slowly
what is
increasing.
the the ROMI, return on marketing investment, where you divide the revenue by the marketing
Oh,
expenses,
yeah.
like the traffic expenses? So do you know this number?
It started off a lot higher, like it started off between like 10 to 20,
Yeah.
but now it's like dropped down to between like 3 to 6x per day.
Nice.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
3 to 6, it's okay
Yeah.
for scaling. It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. At scale,
Yeah.
it's we're happy with it.
I want
Like-
these emotions on camera.
Yeah.
Please
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Concerning your team, like where are they from? Are they from the United States?
So the team is scattered, which is
Yeah.
why after this event we actually want to move to Serbia for 6 months and set up an office there. And then all the team members, we want to have them in-house.
In-house, yeah.
So from sales to developers to customer support, bring them all in-house, and I think that will be easier that way. Yeah.
The problem we had, so in Bali we did have in-house people, but while we had in-house people, we're also dealing with VAs, and VAs are like, they're good, but only good for so many things. So that's why we really want to have the in-house,
Yeah.
so we can actually build this business and go from like $1 million to $10+ million.
In-house you mean
in
like
a year.
to have them offline in the office, or in-house you mean
In-house, like
Yeah,
in
in an
person.
office, yeah.
In
We
an
want to go
office.
there, have the space.
We actually we have right now in our team around 150 people.
Okay.
And they're all like around the globe. So
Yeah,
we don't have
and,
the office.
No office anymore.
No office.
Yeah, when we were starting, I was hesitating like to scale. It's better to have like all companies. It could maybe if it's office could be more efficient, but then you need to be there.
Yeah.
And if you are not there, maybe the atmosphere will be relaxed, and we feel more energy when we in Bali.
Yeah, just like you said.
Yeah, and emotional side is very important for business.
Yeah.
And for me, it's interesting your emotional side, but like it was a huge contrast in your life. Like you was doing like $10,000 a month for free, and it was for you. It was like first money. I mean, like,
Yeah,
first real,
10,000
It's great,
for
yeah.
free is okay. Like
Yeah.
It's
3,000 per each, it's okay.
Yeah.
But then 1 month you are making like $200,000 minus like 50,000
That's-
costs, so
yeah.
you're having like 50,000 each.
Yeah.
What you was feeling like, and you was receiving these alerts like.
Alerts, yeah, notifications.
You wake up, you look at your Stripe account, and you'd wake up and be like, wow, I made $5,000 while sleeping. And then you went from before like having to put in all those hours and you only got paid for every hour that you worked to like waking up and having that money. You get a notification, like you'd be eating dinner, you'd be like, just made $2,000. Like, what is happening?
SMS.
Yeah.
It's an unreal feeling.
Notification.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you want to start your online course and scale it globally and earn millions of dollars, but you're hesitating, you don't know which experts to market, you don't know which niche to start, we have a free consultation for you. Normally a consultation with this expert costs around $200, but we give it for you for free. Just press the link below, fill the form, and see you at the consultation.
So how do you structure your course? I mean, what are the ingredients there? Are they just lessons, like videos?
Yeah, so it's only video lessons. We have some like written resources with like scripts and templates and stuff, but the way we structured it was the steps you need to take to get a client. So we went from step 1 is just like getting your business ready, understanding what the business is, then you need to reach out to clients. So we've got like over 15 methods of outreach. Then we go into actually the sales part, so how you're going to close these clients, what to say, how to say it, how to structure the meetings, and then we go into the delivering the results, so how to do Facebook ads. And then we go into like scaling, building a team, so that way it's everything you need A to Z. Help you get your first client, but it'll also help you scale to like 15 clients a month if that's what you're ready to do.
What is your average check? I mean, how much do they pay you, like on average?
Average order value.
Average order value.
Yeah.
So right now it's about $650.
Mm.
Converted, so 500 USD. Sorry.
500.
Yeah.
And is this for course duration of months, 2 months?
So the course they get access forever.
Yeah.
It's like a digital product.
Digital
Yeah, it's a
product,
digital
yeah,
product, not a
so-
student.
not
And you don't
ongoing,
have question and answer sessions.
We do live
Yeah.
like
In the Facebook
In-
group, like
in our-
you do a live Q&A call.
Yeah.
Or like closed Facebook
Yeah.
group.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like only for those who purchase the course. And then we're looking at, now that we have more students, like we've got 1,000 students in there now, we're looking to do like higher levels. So move on to step 2, then step 3, step 4.
So you have a premium packages or it's flat price?
We're getting there now. 'Cause,
So it's one more potential for $1 more million.
yeah.
yeah.
From the million we've already made, we can make another million from that. So.
But for example, your first month you're receiving money and you're having Stripe.
Yeah, Stripe.
And your legal entity is Serbian or Canadian?
No,
Canadian.
So it's like we have Canadian business right now.
Yeah.
But we're looking at other options because we obviously want to reduce the tax burden.
Yeah.
So yeah, right now there's apparently there's what's the country?
Barbados.
Barbados.
Yeah.
They have good connection with Canada, so we might be able to do something with that.
Just look to Singapore.
We've had a lot,
Yeah.
heard about that, but it's good with Barbados. They're really good with Canadian citizens. They've got like a treaty, so that's much easier than us doing like Singapore. Cause we looked into that too, and we keep getting denied when we're just trying to lower, get better taxes.
The biggest thing is if we go with like Singapore, like another country, we'd have to become non-residents, so we lose like, we wouldn't be able to have an apartment in Canada, we wouldn't be able to get a car, driver's license, none of that. But with Barbados, we can stay residents of Canada and still pay like really low taxes of like 2%, 3%.
Hey guys, if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments asking questions and endorsing us.
Okay, thank you very much. It was
Yeah, it was
very
a
nice
pleasure.
talking to
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, man.
Very good
See you in Bali next year.
Yeah,
See
in
you,
the village.
yeah. Guys are coming with us to Bali.
We'll
and
be there.
you're
We'll be
invited
there.
as well.
Yeah.
Bali, January 2020.